In this video, we bring to you an amazing shipping container house in Salt Lake City, Utah that is sure to leave you in awe. And the most amazing thing is that it was built for only $100,000 US. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing and eco-friendly shipping container home. Welcome back. This sustainable dwelling is truly a work of art, and it was built by expertly welding two shipping containers together, creating a spacious and comfortable living space of 672 square feet. The house features a small wood-framed entry at the front that not only adds an aesthetic touch but also increases the overall square footage of the house. The roof is supported by glulam beams and was built on top to form wide overhangs, providing much-needed shade during hot weather, and a covered entry porch in front, perfect for welcoming guests. As you step inside the house, the open concept living space boasts a modern and functional kitchen equipped with stainless steel appliances, ample storage space, and beautiful wooden countertops. Natural light flowing in through the row of clear-story windows creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that makes you feel right at home. The kitchen also features a utility closet that houses an efficient tankless water heater and space for a stocked washer and dryer, making everyday living a breeze. The lounge area adjacent to the kitchen is perfect for unwinding after a long day, with a cozy couch, a custom coffee table, and a flat-screen TV for entertainment. The small flexible space behind the couch can be used as a home office, a dining area, or an exercise area, catering to all your needs. As you continue to explore the house, you will come across the bathroom that is fully equipped with everything you need, including a fully tiled shower cubicle, a toilet, a vanity with gorgeous wash-hand basin, a bathroom mirror to amplify the bathroom space. The main bedroom, separated from the living area, is a true oasis of tranquility. The custom-built sliding door that resembles an antique tonsil chest adds a touch of elegance and character to the room. The comfortable double bed, the closet, and a large floor-to-ceiling door that opens onto a private patio that looks out onto the backyard makes the main bedroom the perfect place to retreat to after a long day. The metal container ceiling is left exposed on the inside and is painted white, adding to the industrial language of the design. The white painted interior makes the spaces look bigger and brighter, creating that illusion of large indoor spaces. The wooden ceiling beams frames are left exposed to create a warm and rustic ambience in the house, making it the perfect blend of modern and rustic design. The exterior design of the house is modern and sleek. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted in a shade of gray, emphasizing the industrial style of the house. Which part of this shipping container house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.